Today we will be showing you how to extract a tape from a DAT320 tape drive. This tape extraction procedure will work for all OEMs of the DAT320. Please be advised this is for extraction of a tape from a defective tape drive only. Removing the tape from the drive will not fix the faulty drive, and the drive itself will still need to be replaced. Due to the nature of DAT320 drives and how they do not spool media out of the tape cartridge in the fashion that the other forms of tape drive do, there is no manual extraction for DAT320 tape drives. In order to extract a tape from a DAT320 drive, the drive will need to be powered on. You will need to press and hold the eject button on the front of the drive for approximately 15 seconds. You will hear the drive working to unload the tape, and you can release the eject button. After the drive finishes rewinding the tape, the drive will push the tape out. It can be removed and the drive can be powered down. The extraction is now complete. If you have any further questions about tape extraction from a DAT320 tape drive, please reach out to us at support@therocketplatform.com. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.